Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Ford remote key fob. What we need to do to access the battery, we need to split the case in half to gain access. We do that by getting a large flat-headed screwdriver, and just at this point here at the bottom of the key fob, we pop the blade in the indentation and we give it a twist, which cracks the two halves of the key fob case, like so. And there is your key fob battery. We just get your screwdriver and flip it out of its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure on this particular one that the writing on the battery is facing downwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it back together. So you get the other half of the case and make sure it all lines up and clicks in place. And there you go, it's all done.